Hello guys, so today we're gonna be opening this Vivid Voltage Pokemon pack. So I hope you guys like and subscribe, and then yeah, so let's open this pack. Please, no, we got a green code, solid green code card. Let's go. That 4 from the back. And right now I'm guessing it's a grass energy card. Oh, it's a psychic energy card, I think. So let's go. Psychic energy card. Hitmontop, Krokorok, Delmice, Whismur, Trubbish, Dynamo, Woobat, Clobbopus, a reverse Trumbic, and a Crocodile. Regular blow, yeah. So we got a reverse one. That's all I care about. So I hope you guys like this video, and yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I will be wait, hold on. I will be opening this pack soon, and if you want another code card for a Alakazam V box, here you go. Yeah, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and see you guys next time for another one. Bye.